Good morning, everyone, and welcome back to the Oh So and So. I thought I would share with you what I purchased at the fall open house at Antiques on 231 here in Lebanon, Tennessee. I had the best time. I worked 4 days, and standing there at the register, looking at everything, I kept thinking, ooh, I like that. I know exactly, I could put that here, I could do that. Oh, I like that. Let me go get it. So, but I'm going to show you what I did find. I know in that video that I did of the fall open house, you saw me pick these up. And I absolutely love gourds. I don't know why, and I'm not quite sure where I'm going to put it. But I really liked the gourds. I'm going to set that there. And then I got a garland. This garland is so pretty. Look. And it's kind of long. I don't know if I got all this stuff for this deck. So I hope you stay tuned to the fall decor for this back deck. But I thought it was pretty. And then she had these. Oh my goodness. Look, they were short. So I got 3 of them. You know, I love sunflowers. And I don't know, the fall, they're perfect. Makes you, I don't know. I don't know, I just love stuff like that. And then, for some reason, I saw this little basket. You know, I love baskets, no matter what size they are. And, oh, it's 62 degrees here in Tennessee. It feels so good. You can tell it's windy. And I thought, oh, how perfect. I'm going to sit on the back deck. But anyway, I got this. And I like the color. Not sure where I'm going to put it. And then I saw this. Look. Let me show you the back. But this, it kind of goes like that. I think this might look good in that corner bedroom. I won't throw it on the floor. And then I found these. Look at these candles. They've kind of got the grubby on them. They smell good too. But I needed to bring out some of my nice, you know, candlesticks. And on Facebook, you can see them on Facebook. Antiques on 231, and they were doing pictures of different booths and stuff like that. And I saw this in the picture. Oh my goodness. You know how I love brooms, and the booth vendor had attached this, and I looked at it several times. And I thought, where is that? Where is that? When I go in tomorrow, I'm going to grab it. So that's one of the reasons why when I do a video of the store, I put the booth number on there. So just in case you come and you see something that you like, you can go right to that booth. And she had this one, plus she had this one. Now, this one doesn't have a, this little thing, but I thought, you know, I could just take a drill and do a small hole and put some string. But she had added this, which I thought was so cute. It's an old card. Wait, how's it go? Oh, it's ripped. Did I rip it? I guess I did. But that was cute. So I got those. And then I was looking around and things that when you see something, you're like, that would be perfect. Now, I have 6 knives that are in a box that my mother-in-law gave to me. And these match perfect. And there's 6 of them, and I thought, I can put them on the table. The forks. Let me tell you something. I was so excited to find these. And this booth had 15% off items over 20 or something. But look how pretty. They'll go great on the table. And then, here we go with some more gourds. This was, look at this. This was all together. And it was $45, plus this booth had 15% off. So, I don't know. I don't know what I'm going to do with it. I don't know if I'm going to keep it on this string or if I'm going to take the gourds off and use them in a basket. They'll go back here somewhere. And there was a vendor there that had real pumpkins. And I thought, do I want real pumpkins or do I want fake pumpkins? Well, you know, I picked the fake pumpkins. And so they had this one. Look, it's really packed. There's no telling what she's got packed into here. And then I found another one that's kind of squatty. But I liked them. I don't think they were that bad. And then, of course, I needed more of these for out here. So I got 4 of these. And I think these were on sale for like $7. And I've had some for like 2 years that I just put in a plastic bag and keep them. Okay, so we're gonna start working on this back porch soon. But before I do, I need to take advantage of this cool snap that we're having and pull weeds in that front yard. But I also stopped on my way to work the other day at a yard sale. And I picked up so many doilies because I'm preparing for my Christmas booth. And speaking of that, November the 1st, 2nd, I'm not sure, the dates have not been for sure, but I know the 1st and the 2nd of November, they'll have their Christmas open house at Antiques on 231. And if you love Christmas, if you love vintage Christmas, oh my goodness, it will be there. So put that on your calendar. Alrighty, so I'm gonna go get me a cup of coffee and maybe even get a blanket. It's so nice out here. Alrighty, guys. So, I guess I'll get off and I'll I'll see you in the next video. Thanks so much for watching. Okay, guys. The fog has rolled in, and this is September the 1st. Look, you can see it come in. Now, I know when you see fog in August, that means so many snows. What does this mean? It's amazing. But I know one thing. I am so glad it rained today. Ooh, what does it look like over here? Look at that. That's amazing. You can't even, oh, there you go. All righty. We'll see.